On Saturday the 31st of March 2018, the Canterbury Railway Society and the Diesel Traction Group joined forces and held a Railfans Day during Easter weekend, providing Railfans the rare opportunity to capture a variety of passenger, mixed and goods trains ranging from different eras. Different forms of locomotive power was on show, including 1966 built diesel-electric DI-1102, which had just been pressed into service and the testing and certification stage to mainline running, after a 9-year restoration project undertaken by the Diesel Traction Group. Vulcan Railcar RM51 departs Moorhouse Yard to run into the railway station and collect Railfans for the short ride to the photography island, where they will disembark. Steam power kick-start the day at 12 o'clock with 1872 built F13 Peveril hauling a mixed train comprising of wooden rolling stock from the 1900s. RM51, returning to Moorhouse after being stationed in the dock siding at Ferrymead. The next train was a mixed, hauled by electric locomotive EO Class No. 3, built in 1923, with passenger car van B231 at the rear. F13 heads a 1900 style passenger train along the Heathcote estuary. The real action of the day began when DG772 and freshly outshot DI-1102, paired in multiple, were shunted onto EO3 and its mixed train, where they will tow the consist around the non-electrified section of the turning triangle.
fishing the salt, probably goes really well with most.
As F13 arrived back into Moorhouse, the diesel locomotives came off the train and were shunted into the yard so that EO3 could continue on its way under the wires to Ferrymead. After shunting both passenger and mixed trains together, EO3 ran light engine to Moorhouse, whilst F13 was marshalled at the head of 4 goods wagons, 4 passenger cars and a guards van, seen departing Ferrymead station. From here, F13 will finish its duties for the day, and DI1102 and DG772 will take over at the head of a goods train, seen powering along the straight beside the Heathcote estuary. Another run with the goods train, with EO3 marshalled in the consist. Departing Ferrymead with DI1102 at the head. Moorhouse, motive power was exchanged from diesel to electric as EO3 took over the goods duties. DI1102 and DG772 power along with a ballast train in tow. around 6 o'clock, the train crews and railfans broke off for a barbecue dinner on the Moorhouse station platform. DG 772 and DI 1102 continued hauling the goods train under dusk. Darkness approaches as EO3 heads the goods train towards Ferrymead with DG 772 in tow. As nightfall hits, the opportunity for stage night photography was situated in Moorhouse Station, which included a locomotive crew change with DG 772 with the goods train and DI 1102 at the head of the ballast train. Around 10 PM, the Railfans days started to die down as locomotives and rolling stock were to be put away for the night, which comes to the conclusion of another great day on the Ferrymead Railway and to formally welcome back DI 1102 into service. We would like to thank the Canterbury Railway Society and the Diesel Traction Group for their joint effort and cooperation to make these events happen, and we wish the best of luck for the DTG on hopefully getting 1102 back onto the main line this year.